the greater potential people have when they work together. That's why you're having an association to come together and cooperate, as Bhaskaran has told us, is so important. Now I'm very interested and very gratified to know that we are now developing STI, System for Turmeric Intensification. I don't know how successful it will be, but please inform us of your experience so that we can share this experience with people in other countries. When we were in Jharkhand State just a few days ago, we learned about SLI, System of Lac Intensification.
System of lac intensification.
The farmers there have found that if they do less inoculation, fewer insects into the tree, better growth. And if they transplant them earlier, they have better growth. If they plant their trees farther apart, you get more stalks. They get more stalks to inoculate. So they're finding that the ideas from SRI can be used also for lac production. I had no idea, no imagination, but farmers discovered they could use these ideas for lac movement. So as I say, this is all about potential. I'm glad to see you're trying now sugar cane, SSI. We have SWI, SMI for mustard. We have so many different kinds, even brinjal. In Bihar, we do brinjal, SRI. So I encourage you to think about the potential you can bring from the plants, from the soil, and from yourselves. And already you have been helping other farmers to learn from your experience. I thank you very much for this generosity, this friendship. And I hope that you can spread this as far as possible among all the farmers in the Salem district and Tamil Nadu state, in India, and in the world.
தமிழகத்தில் அனைத்து பகுதி விவசாயிகளுக்கும் மற்றும் இந்திய அளவில் கொண்டு செல்வதற்கு நீங்கள் முனைப்போடு செயல்பட வேண்டும் என்று நான் இறுதியாக நினைவு பரிசு